grow bags just arrived this afternoon, y'all. We're about to go out, put our plants in them, but first I'm gonna get supper in the oven. I told them I could make the sausage and pepper sandwiches, the ones that I usually cook them on the Blackstone and put them on hoagie rolls. Those or a dump and bake meatball casserole. And they all picked the meatball casserole, so that's what we're making. Also, look at the new noodle board Rose made for me. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. It says Moss Family Friends up here. There's Miss Turkey, Manny. A lot of people ask about the other stove cover, which I'm keeping the old one too. It didn't fit this new stove. We had to get this one, y'all remember, back around Christmas time. But this one Rose made for me for this stove. It really matches good with the countertops too. The color of the wood, it's great. We need to preheat the oven to 375. I only did 350, so let me up that. Now we'll spray the pan. This is a really easy one. I hope it's good. This would make a great freezer meal. Because everything we're putting in here is, you know, some of it is still frozen and the other stuff can be frozen. So it would be great if this is a winner, because you could get some aluminum 9x13 pans, put some of these together quick and get them in the freezer. We're using a 32-ounce bag of Italian style meatballs. Oh, they smell good. You smell those, Manny?
Yeah, but I can't right now.
Oh, okay. Now we need 1 can of diced tomatoes, drained. So we're gonna spread over the tomatoes. Now we're pouring over a jar of pasta sauce. You can use pasta sauce or marinara. I had pasta, so we're gonna use that. We need 1 cup of ricotta cheese. This is a 15-ounce container, so it's gonna be hard to spread it. I'm just gonna put a few little dollops. Is it? Okay, I think I'm putting a little more than a cup, but that's okay. Now we need 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. You wanna shake that on, Sissy? Then we need this whole bag of shredded mozzarella sprinkled over the top.
Okay.
2 cups. This one is so easy, kids could make it all by themselves. So it's Friday night. A lot of times that means pizza night, but we had pizza night this week on Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday, might have been Wednesday. We're putting on the Texas toast now. These are frozen still. So we're putting 8 pieces on the top, and we're gonna cover it. And it's gonna bake for 45 minutes covered. Then we're gonna uncover it and let it bake 15 more minutes. And I'm just telling you, with that garlic bread, it is about to be smelling good. If you wanted this to be a freezer meal, you would just stop right there and put it in the freezer. Let's see if this is a good one, Manny. It's the first watermelon of 2024, I think. I don't think we've gotten any other watermelons this year. Let's hope it's a good one. Y'all want me to do the turtle cut? Here's the turtle cut. You flip it over this way.
I got it.
Uh-oh, I think we're about to get a thunderstorm.
Yeah. Right. Ooh, yum, yum, yum.
This cut is easier to eat. Is it a good one?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Very surprised. That's a great one. Came from Aldi.
Look at this, Sissy. Bum-ba-bum. And you can see the watermelon's pink inside.
You done?
No,
I was bringing you some watermelon.
I appreciate it.
My store is closed, but the popcorn ain't not.
Oh, you got a popcorn store?
Uh-huh.
Right when we were about to come out here, it started raining. Hopefully, it's just gonna pass over real quick and we can still go do the grow bags, which we could go do them on the back porch and then carry them out there. But they're all out there at the garden and we would have to go through the rain anyway, so we'll just wait a minute and see if it stops. We got some green ones this time and some of the black ones like we've always used. Guess I'll switch out the laundry. Oh, that's a nice surprise. I didn't have any clothes to fold. I forgot. Jake had put a load of his clothes in last night, so they were all his. He got them out this morning. Okay, we removed the full. Now we just have about 15 more minutes. It's smelling good. I know that.
pretty hot, ain't it?
Yeah, well, Tyler says no. Tyler
It
says
ain't? I trust my kid. Really good. I'm not kidding you, that. Did you make that up?
no. No, I didn't make it up. And it was very easy, so.
It's really good. I'm telling you, it's really good.
Kitchen is clean from supper. Now we're gonna make dessert. The kids want brownies, so we're gonna make some lunch lady brownies. I'm looking for the cocoa powder. I thought I got it out, but I didn't. We need baking cocoa. We need 1 cup of melted butter. I've already got that ready. So we're gonna mix the cup of melted butter with 1/2 cup of baking cocoa. Okay, I'm just gonna mix the brownie part by hand. We do make a frosting that goes over the top of them. We'll use the mixer for that. I think we have all the cocoa powder dissolved. We're gonna put in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of sugar. Oh no. Okay, sugar.
I was about to do this, and it just
It's okay.
Oh, guess what? Some great stuff.
We're putting in 4 eggs and 4 teaspoons of vanilla. There we go. Okay, we pour this in the pan. We just have it lined and sprayed. They're gonna bake for 30 minutes at 350. So when they just have about 10 minutes or so left, we'll go ahead and make the frosting, because you want to pour the frosting over the warm brownies. For the frosting, we just need 1/2 stick of softened butter, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk, and then we need 3 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to add that in 1 cup at a time while it's mixing. Okay, let's see what we've got here. That's amazing. That's what that is. Amazing. I'm not sure if I've ever said this before, but I'm saying it now. That's the best homemade brownie recipe I've ever made. They are cake-like, but chewy at the same time. I got a little frosting on my hands there. Just sorry about that, but they're great. Alright, brownies have been made. Popcorn's ready. The movie choice for tonight, Homeward Bound 2, Lost in San Francisco.